Corey here, your Weekend Warriors. We're coming to you today. We're going to show you how to build something out of necessity. We just finished up our recording studio that we record our radio show out of. And when we finished up that studio, we realized there was a ton of reverb.
A bunch of echo.
Yeah.
It was terrible.
It sounded terrible in there because it was so tight. So we did a lot of research and I watched some YouTube videos, and there's a lot of elaborate DIY sound absorption panels.
You can order sound absorption panels online.
Expensive.
So expensive.
So expensive. So we realized we wanted to build these things ourselves, and we came across the most perfect product. Parr Lumber Company sells this insulation. It's called mineral wool or Rockwool. Rockwool makes it. It's made out of stone dust. It's a pretty cool product. We actually have some of it down here. Tony's putting gloves on because it's not, I wouldn't handle it too much.
It's itchy. I don't want it on me. But this is what it looks like. It's a 2 foot by 4 foot panel.
Inch and a half thick.
Yep, inch and a half thick.
Which is perfect.
And man, oh man, it really absorbs the sound.
It absolutely does. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up these 2x2s and build like a picture frame. This thing's gonna go inside of that, and then we're gonna wrap it with fabric to make it look nice. The things that we're gonna need to finish this easy project are two 2x2 8-footers, a piece of that mineral wool, which is 2 foot by 4 foot by inch and a half thick. We've got some fabric that we picked out that's pretty basic, white, and screws, and that's it. What we need to do is cut these 2x2s down to make our frame. And once we make the frame, we'll be able to put that in there and stretch that fabric over it. So
perfect.
Let's do that.
Let's do it. There you go.
All right, so there we have it. 2 pieces at 27 and 2 pieces at 48. So what we're gonna do is put these together like this.
Now, this panel is 24 inches wide. You cut these at 27. They must be the top
And the bottom.
and the bottom, and they're gonna be on the outside of the side pieces in order to result in a 24-inch reveal on the inside.
That's right.
So, let's check Corey's math.
Perfect. All right, so we're ready to screw these together, and what we're gonna use is Screw Products 3-inch gold star screws. These are fantastic screws because they are self-tapping, and they have this little reamer out so the head sits nice and tight when you get them down. So I don't even have to pre-drill these. So what we're gonna do is screw these together with a couple screws, each corner. All right, so we built the frame. Now what we need to do is put our insulation inside. Should fit pretty snug.
Center it on there.
Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is take our T50 staple gun. We're gonna start on one side and just start stapling the cover up.
Money, buddy.
And there you have it.
Looks really, really good. Nice tight stretch. It's not bulging out anywhere. And you know, you probably noticed when we show you pictures of our studio that we put fabric over top that we had sort of personalized. You could do the same thing. You know, you could paint on a piece of canvas and wrap it with a piece of canvas that you painted on, or heat transfer. To make it sort of a personal thing, it doesn't have to be, or if you're in Corey's situation, you just leave it white and maybe you won't notice it.
Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for tuning in. It's been another episode of Your Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, it turned out good, buddy. I really like it.